Hi everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Aisha Loves Makeup. Today I'm going to be unboxing the February Ice Cream Beauty Box. If you guys want to know what I got in my box, then keep on watching! Alrighty guys, so this is the bad boy. I'm going to be showing you guys what I got for this month. I like Ice Cream Beauty Box because I love getting beauty products, more makeup than skincare, and I feel like this box tends to be more makeup heavy than skincare heavy. So we're going to dig into the box, but before I do, I just want to, say hi to anyone new to my channel. My name is Aisha. Hi, welcome everyone to my channel who's new, or welcome anyone who subscribed. I love to do makeup subscription unboxings. It's like my holy grail, like my favorite part of my day is when I come home and do my unboxings, because like who doesn't love opening a box of like goodies? It's like Christmas every day in my household. So I love, showing you guys what I get in these boxes. If you're considering getting a makeup subscription box, my channel is definitely going to be for you, because I go over a lot of makeup subscription boxes on my channel. I also do makeup hauls and makeup mystery unboxings as well, because I want to share all my makeup stuff with you guys, and you guys seem to like it, so I'm going to continue to do that. I also occasionally do crystal subscription boxes as well, because I love crystals. I just got a new one that I'm going to show you guys on my channel soon when it comes to my house. But until then, stay tuned and let's get into the box. So they always give you a lot of squigglies, so I took the squigglies out the box just for time purposes so it doesn't get too messy. So I threw those out, and I'm going to show you guys a sneak peek. So that's just sneak peek, and let's get into the box. So originally, I was just doing a 3-month subscription, and I'm like, let me see if I like it, I'll resubscribe. I did resubscribe again for another 3 months, so let's see. Sometimes I need like 6 months to really see if I really like the subscription, to do it like annually, or just to, to keep it or not. So we're gonna see. I did it for 3 more months. So this is my first one out of the other 2 that I'm gonna get, and then I'll see if I'm gonna keep this box or not. And we're just gonna dig in. So the first thing here says Pure Cosmetics 3-dimensional fiber mascara, and it comes in this fancy box here. So let's see. Ooh la la. So it comes in a 2-step. Normally when you do like fiber mascaras, you gotta do the first step, the coating, and then you do another coating on top. So I don't know if I'm going to use this, or maybe I'll give this away in a giveaway, because for me, I feel like whenever I do fiber mascaras, that A, they're hard to take off, and B, I feel like the fiber is getting my eyes, and I don't know, my eyes are very sensitive. I can't even wear like lash glue like that. Like I could do it to film, but if I had lash glue on all day, my eyes would be like bloodshot red and really irritated. So I'm very careful with any mascara that I use. So I don't know if I'm going to use this because it has the fibers in it. But that's the first thing I got. They give you a card with the prices of everything. So that's what it looks like. It says this mascara retails for $30. Wow, wow, wow. And I only paid $25. So right off the bat, with just this one item, I already paid for the box. The next thing I got is a palette. I love that in every box you get a palette as well. This says, Mavi, take me to Paris. So this is the palette. It has like a little sleeve, and let's see what it looks like. Not really my type of palette. I may give this away in a future giveaway. I don't know yet. But this is what the palette looks like. The palette is, these undertones, like the pastels, they don't really like look too good on like my skin tone, so I don't know if I'm gonna keep this palette or not. And I have a lot of palettes in my kit, so I don't know if I'm gonna keep this. But I still like that they gave us a palette. The next thing they gave us, how much was that palette? That palette was $23. This is a Hikari. Hikari is a brand, and it's an eye crayon. I like eye crayons. If you're lazy and in a rush in the mornings, it's just easy to just draw something on your eyes and blend away. Oh, so this I would use as a base though, because it's really light, but that's what it looks like. All right, that retails for $17. Then I got a pressed highlighter in Sunset Boulevard. This is the packaging. Let's see what it looks like. Oh my goodness, guys. Look at this highlighter. Wow, wow, wow. Your girl is definitely going to be wearing this highlighter. This highlighter is beautiful. Oh, I'm going to try this tomorrow. This is beautiful. I've never heard of the brand Eloise. I always butcher these names. You guys must think that I cannot spell for jack. But I promise you, I have a college degree. Your girl is very smart, okay? So, do not sleep on me. But I never said spelling was like my first... spelling was like my thing. But yes, I have a college degree. So I promise you, I'm not dumb. It's just... sometimes these words just be like, I don't know. And I'd rather not say and butcher the name, because then I get those people who come on my channel and say,
you pronounced that wrong. I just want to let you know you pronounced it like...
yeah, it's like some people just can't be nice. So I'm like, I'd rather not even say butcher the name, because then I got to deal with those people who just, it's like, why are you on my channel? If you don't like how I do things or say things, and just... there's the door. There's the door. Now they're going to correct me and say,
it's not door, it's door.
Anyway, let's see what else is left here. So, how much was this highlighter? It was $47. Holy macaroni. The next thing here is a lip kit by Basic Beauty. I have a highlighter by Basic Beauty, and it is beautiful. So, I'm excited to try something else from the brand. I think I got that highlighter kit from like one of my subscription boxes. Oh, this is pretty. Wow, wow, wow. This is like my type of combo right here. Brown liner I wear with everything, and a basic like pinky brown nude. Oh, your girl's ecstatic with this. I'm super excited for these two the most, I will say. Everything was makeup, so I really can't complain. I love that everything is makeup, but I'm super excited about these two the most. So that lip kit was $25, which is the price of the box. So overall, did I like everything? No, but beggars can't be choosers when it comes to mystery. Not mystery, when it comes to makeup subscription boxes, because, you know, you don't know what you're going to get all the time. They do have spoilers, but it's like, you don't know what you're going to get in everything. So it's like, if you get upset that you don't like something in a mystery box or a makeup subscription box, and maybe that's not something for you, and I would just go to the store and buy what you want. But it is fun sometimes getting these boxes, because you will get something that you normally wouldn't try. Some of my favorite palettes, some of my favorite glosses or liquid lips or things that I got in these boxes that I would have never normally even thought twice about buying. So for me, I think it's still a win-win for me. What did you guys think about my box? Let me know in the comments down below. Make sure you like, make sure you comment and subscribe, and I'll see you guys all in my next video.